In this video, let us learn about how to highlight weekends in Excel. Let us consider this example where I have column with full of dates starting from 1st January. And let's try to highlight all weekend dates using conditional formatting. Follow these steps. Select all the cells that have the dates. Click on conditional formatting. Click on new rule. Click on use a formula to determine which cells to format. Enter the following formula in the formula field. Equals to weekday, open the parentheses, B5, comma 2, close the parentheses, greater than 5. So Saturdays will be 6 and Sundays will be 7. So here we will highlight only Saturdays and Sundays. Click on Format button. Fill it with some yellow color and select some font as blue color. Click OK and click OK. Now all the Saturdays and Sundays will be highlighted in yellow color like this. If you wish to highlight only Sundays, you need to mention the formula as equals to weekday parenthesis B5, comma 2, close the parenthesis, greater than 6. Similarly, you can highlight any of the weekdays if required. So this is how you can use a conditional formatting to highlight weekends in Excel. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video. Thank you friends, thanks for watching.